The pain was in my right hand. It was the thumb joint closest to the wrist, and it kept me from doing some of the things that I enjoy doing. I've played competitive Scrabble for more than 30 years, and I direct a Scrabble club here, and I also direct tournaments, and some of the things, drawing tiles was hard, and in the kitchen, huge problems. Couldn't use a can opener. I am right-handed, so it limited me a lot in that sort of thing.
This is an arthritis it's osteoarthritis, and it occurs actually more commonly in women than in men. And when the joint wears out, it becomes painful, and activities are difficult. Pinching activities, twisting, turning a key, twisting off a jar lid, those become painful and difficult.
Dr. Peters sat down with me, examined my x-rays and everything, and he explained to me that I did need the surgery, and exactly how he would do it. He told me everything that I could expect when I had the surgery.
Surgery is basically a joint replacement. It differs a little bit from what you normally think about with a hip or a knee, because we don't use an artificial implant. We use a piece of soft tissue from the forearm that acts as a cushion between the formerly arthritic bones, and that gives us good pain relief, gives us good mobility and strength, and there's nothing in there to wear out, so it tends to be very lasting. Rehab is a very important part of it, and there is a period of casting for about 3 weeks to let all the soft tissues heal. And then the therapist plays an important role in giving supporting braces, doing exercises, and doing the exercises in an appropriate order. And most people at 3 months after surgery are doing pretty much everything they want to do.
I really enjoyed getting back to playing Scrabble the way I always had. Ted Peters was a great doctor. He explained everything to me very thoroughly, exactly how he was going to do it, exactly what I would experience afterwards, and how long things would take to get back to normal.
Hand surgery involves not only the skeleton, but the soft tissues, the tendons, the nerves, blood vessels, the skin. So it's a very rewarding, challenging part of the body, and I found it to be where I wanted to be.